Hi, I'm Jan, and I'd like to welcome you to the first episode of LaserIt. Today, I'm taking you on a journey to some of the most beautiful beaches that I know, and which inspired me to craft this beach signpost made of driftwood. During some of my work assignments, I was able to visit a few of the most famous beaches of the world. And bit by bit, I collected driftwood in order to process it with a laser to craft my own individual souvenir. Come with me, and I show you how. The laser allows me to process my favorite material, wood, just in the way I want to have it. No matter if I need a quality cut, a quick and dirty solution, or just a half cut or engraving, either a vector engraving or raster engraving, I can do it just by changing parameters. No need to change any tool bit or tool head. Takes some time, but it can be that quick and easy to craft your own personalized souvenir. I'm quite happy with the result. How do you like my signpost? And what beaches would you have included in your own signpost? If you're curious about my projects, subscribe to me and the Eurolaser channel to not miss out any episode of LaserIt. I'm really looking forward to these videos and your feedback.